Data. Data refers to facts and figures that are processed to find meaningful results. Data plays a pivotal role in the field of AI. Data collection is the process of collecting and sourcing information from numerous sources. The quality of data is essential for AI applications. For effective AI performance, data must be accurate, relevant, and free from errors. The accuracy of AI outcomes is heavily dependent on the quality of the data provided. Thus, data can be considered the lifeblood of AI. An AI system relies on the data it receives to learn and make predictions. Providing incorrect or low-quality data will lead to inaccurate or unreliable results. These data can be numeric, temperature, loan amount, etc., categorical, gender, color, etc., or even free text like doctor's notes, prescriptions, opinion surveys, etc.